So you want to know how I make my black soap shampoo that fights scalp conditions, helps improve hair growth, and ultimately has minimal ingredients like chicken ingredients like this. I got you. Hey y'all, thank you so much for joining me today. Okay, it looks like I don't have a working editing app on my systems. So now I can give you videos with no errors. This video is an updated and a simpler version of my previous DIY black soap gel for skin and hair. In here there are three differences that makes this different from my previous DIY black soap video. Number one, the previous one is perfect for skin, while this new one is basically for hair. This is a hair shampoo, not for skin. The previous one has xanthan gum in it, which was what make it a soap gel, while this doesn't have xanthan gum in it, yet it is thick. It's milky actually. The third difference is this, and it is so huge and important to me because the previous one has about 1,000,001 ingredients in it. I'm not even joking. But this, it's so simple. It has just about 8 ingredients in it, inclusive of the black soap itself. Just 8. Simple, easy, as ABC, and it is for scalp and hair. Healthy scalp equals healthy hair. So let's get right into this video. Here is my raw black soap, like raw black soap, and I'm going to be using just 1 cup of that. And then I'll be adding hot water to it, and just stop adding water the moment it covers the black soap. Not too much, just let it cover it a little. If you add more water to it, a lot of water to it, will end up having a watery soap, and you may end up having to look for a thickener like xanthan gum. And this video is not about using thickener at all. This video is about having a thick consistency actually that may look a little bit gel. And we're just going to cover this off and let it sit for 24 hours. Actually, 24 hours. We need to make sure that it is totally dissolved. Guys, actually I did this the same day and I was forcing my way through it by stirring and breaking the lumps. And one great benefit of dissolving your black soap is that raw black soap has dirt in it, different kind of unimaginable things, you can find it in it. So when you dissolve your black soap, the dirt, stones, pebbles, all those yamayama things, you're going to find it just underneath inside the cup, as you are seeing it like that. I don't know how to say it in English hard or lie. So I got tired of waiting and I decided to just save it. Now it's time to add our colors. blend all of this together so that it can emulsify. I meant to say so that the oil can combine well with our liquid, which is our soap in this case, so that the oil will not separate from the soap. So we blend it very well so that it can emulsify, join together, bind together. So that is it, guys. Our anti-dandruff hair growth shampoo is ready. What we have here is foaming, so after a day or two it should be clear like this. Have you subscribed yet? Castor oil nourishes hair follicles, helps with hair growth, and its antiseptic and antibacterial properties in it helps fight inflammation, which is a win against scalp conditions. Sunflower oil helps hydrated hair and dry scalp. It reduces hair thinning, hair loss, and fights alopecia areata. Its anti-inflammatory properties helps calms dry, itchy, and the dandruffy. God, I just find the word. Is that even a word? Dandruffy scalp. Dandruff scalp. Dandruff-filled scalp. Okay, just you know what I'm talking about. Next one is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant and it helps to draw moisture to the hair from the hair. Wow, rhymes. Moisture from the hair to the hair. Hair to hair. Like from the hair to the hair. Okay, rhymes. I'm about to start wrapping up because glycerin is a humectant that draws moisture from the hair to the hair, or draws moisture to the hair from the hair. Mint oil or peppermint oil has lots of minerals and nutrients with some fatty acids. It gives this cooling effect on the scalp, which helps to increase blood circulation on the scalp, which in turn can help with hair growth and fight hair loss. Lavender oil is basically for fragrance for me, but I'm not going to water down the fact that lavender oil has anti-inflammatory properties, fights hair lice, and treats scalp infections. That is huge. Lemongrass oil is also for fragrance for me, but again, we need to give this oil some accolades. One study says lemongrass oil reduces dandruff in 1 week. Just 1 week. That is powerful if used daily. So you see, it only makes sense to add it to our shampoo. We cannot let this oil just go like that. It soothes the scalp, strengthens the hair follicles, and its astringent properties is making sure that your scalp remains intact. And an intact scalp equals healthy scalp and healthy hair. The last oil here is andrea oil. Andrea oil is marketed towards reversing baldness. Okay, so it used to be popular on the internet sometimes ago. I don't know, the noise has gone down about. I've had this oil for about 2 years now. I barely use it, but I always had it in my hair growth oil that I make for people. And also once in a while like that, I love to add it in my shampoo. According to instructions, it is advised to add just few drops of it into shampoo because they say it is potent. I guess it is the combination of herbal extracts like ginger, ginseng, and a whole lot of herbs like that. If you found this video helpful, kindly click the like button and make sure you say something in the comment section like Sendufsi, hey, well done, like Sendufsi, hey, we see you, Dupe, hey. Thank you for the video. I appreciate you all for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video where I will be talking about how you can treat your itchy, flaky, dry scalp with no products. Yeah, you heard me. No product at all. We are going to do this with no money spent. Bye guys.